Hey guys and welcome to the Watchcraft. आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे एक ड्रेस वॉच दैट इज अ बजट फ्रेंडली वॉच फ्रॉम कोरोमंडल वॉच कंपनी। ये एक इंडियन माइक्रो ब्रांड है गाइस। इन्होंने वर्नम कलेक्शन लॉन्च किया था रिसेंटली। लेट्स क्विकली डू द अनबॉक्सिंग एंड सी हाउ द वॉच इज। Firstly guys, let's open the box. It's a nice simple box with a company name on it and the box feels very strong and safe. Let's open it and see the watch. The first thing you notice is this beautiful sunburst purple dial. When I move it in the light, the color doesn't just change, it has these beautiful lines that spread out from the center like sun rays. The color shifts from a bright purple to a deep dark blue, which is very cool to see. This watch is 38 mm. That's a great size because it looks good on almost any wrist. It's not too big and not too small, which makes it very comfortable to wear every day. The watch case is made of a premium 316L stainless steel, guys. This type of steel is very strong and will not rust over time. The glass on the front is not regular glass. It's made of sapphire crystal. Sapphire is very hard, which means it is very resistant to scratches, and it comes with an anti-reflective coating on it. Inside, the watch uses a Miyota GM12 quartz movement. This just means it runs on a small battery. Quartz movements are known for being very accurate and reliable, so your watches will keep the correct time without needing much care. And finally, this watch has a water resistance of 100 meters. This is a very good number, guys. It means you can wear it in the rain, in the shower, or even when swimming. It's perfect for daily life. The strap is black leather, which looks very nice with the purple face. The buckle has the company logo on it too. The watch is really premium, guys, with this price point, and it comes with a quick release bar, which is very convenient in swapping the straps. While I love everything about this watch, I have one small suggestion. The full name Coromandel Watch Co is printed on the dial. I think the watch would look even cleaner and more premium if it had a simple applied logo instead. It would make the beautiful dial stand out even more. Now let's put it on my wrist and see how it looks. It feels very good on my wrist, guys. It's light and thin, so it's comfortable to wear all day. You can wear it with a suit or with a t-shirt and jeans. This is a really great watch, guys. The beautiful dial and strong parts make it a great choice. For the price, it's a very good value. If you want a great new watch, you should check this one out. Well guys, please share your opinion about this watch in the comment section. It's definitely a budget friendly and paisa vasool watch, guys. You get all high quality material used in this watch and definitely looks beautiful as well. If you like this video, guys, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will not only motivate me but also helps the channel to grow. Until then, stay happy, be happy, and keep watching the Watchcraft for best watch deals, guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.